Let's choose the refueling gun of the same color as the tank cap. Look at the indicator. It shows how much fuel there is in the machine. Don't stop. Let's sample the soil for nutrients. Let's install pistons on their places. That's all. First, let's assemble a fertilizer sprayer truck. Keep it up. Now we need to fuel the fertilizer sprayer truck. Press the pump. Amazing! Let's tap on the forward button for the vehicle to move. Collect all plants to complete the level. Collect all plants to complete the level. Collect all plants to complete the level. Here we are! Let's apply mineral fertilizer into the soil. We need to assemble a plow tractor. Hooray! And now we need to fuel the plow tractor. Press the pump. Amazing! Let's remove the remains of dry plants. Drag the gears into the empty slots. Don't stop! We need to assemble a pre-sewing unit. We did it! Let's fuel the pre-sewing unit. Pump. Amazing! Let's prepare the soil for sowing. Let's start foaming the machine. Clean the dirt off the machine with a brush. Done! First, let's assemble a covered truck. Amazing! And now we need to fuel the covered truck. Press the pump. Ready. Let's drag the hook to the cargo to load it into the vehicle. Keep it up. We made it! Keep it up! We need to assemble a seating machine. Hooray! Let's fuel the seating machine. Press the pump. Keep it up. Let's prepare the seeds and sow the field. Let's connect the wires by their colors. Keep it up. We need to assemble a rotary spreader truck. You're doing really great. Now we need to fuel the rotary spreader truck. Press the pump. We did it! Drag the hook to the cargo to hang it. Done! Let's fertilize wheat sprouts. Let's assemble a harrow tractor. Ready. And now we need to fuel the harrow tractor. Press the pump. Keep it up. Let's clear the field from weeds. Let's pour the coolant into the tank. Let's install pistons on their places. That's all. First, let's assemble a sprayer truck. Drag the part to the right place. ready. We need to fuel the sprayer truck. Press the pump. Don't stop. We made it! Keep it up! It hasn't rained for a long time and the soil is dry. We need to water it. Tap the screen to keep building. Let's assemble a grain harvester. Keep up the good work. First, let's fuel the grain harvester. Press the pump. Keep it up. The weeders are already ripe. It's time to reap them. We need to repair the engine. Pour the coolant into the tank. Connect the wires of the same color. Keep it up. Let's assemble a pickup harvester. And now we need to fuel the pickup harvester. Choose the refueling gun of the same color pump. We did it! Let's thresh the reaped weeders and load them into the grain truck. Let's wash the pickup harvester. Drag the foamer around the machine to soap it up. We did it! First, let's assemble a grain truck. Done! Let's take wheat to the plant. Here we are! Let's make flour from the collected grains. Tap the screen to make the machines continue building. Tap the screen to keep building. Tap the screen to keep building. Tap the screen to keep building. Drag the gears into the empty slots. Connect the wires by their colors. Keep it up. We need to assemble a flour truck. First, let's fuel the flour truck. Choose the pump. Keep it up. Tap on the forward button for the vehicle to move. Collect all plants to complete the level. Here we are! Let's bake bread from the flour and bring it to the store. Tap the screen to keep building. Great! We've managed to grow wheat and bake delicious bread. is made from corn. Let's grow corn to make popcorn. We need to assemble a fertilizer spreader truck.